Today we are going to make a video of class 8 chapter 4 HTML3. Here activity from 5 groups. Each group will give a suitable title to the pictures shown below, depicting famous childhood tales. Here you have to write name of these tales. Here, Clever Thirsty Crow. The Monkey and the Milkman. Greedy Fox, the Monkey and the Crocodile, the Lion and the Rabbit. Read the story given below and ask your friend or partner to read the second story. Same story is on another page. Here, hard work always pays. Anyone who is doing hard work. Once two friends called Harry and Gary came to a city to earn money. They went to a rich merchant for a job. The merchant gave each of them a cane basket. Pointing towards a well in his garden, said, "Take these baskets and draw water from the well till dusk." Harry thought it foolish to draw water in a cane basket, so he slept. On the other hand, Gary kept working. After a few hours, when he drew the basket up, he saw some gold coins in the basket. The merchant rewarded him and gave him a job too. Harry went away ashamed. Spot the difference between the two stories. The first page story is in paragraph, and in the next, this story is with figure. You may write from your mind also differences. Second presentation. Which presentation is better and why? Second presentation is better because pictorial form. Now next thing we want to share you. This is my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Subscribe them. In case of activity 1, by looking at the image, we could easily understand the story behind it, and thus gave a suitable title. In fact, it's much easier to learn by just looking at the image rather than by hearing someone describe them or reading a long chapter or a story. As in case of activity, images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in a simple way. You must have heard an English idiom, "A picture is worth 8,000 words." Here you should keep these things. A picture is worth 8,000 words. This is very important thing for every human being. Do you know an artifact was produced in the royal atelier of the Mughal Emperor Akbar? The Hamjanama of Akbar. He commissioned his court workshop to create an illustrated manuscript which was conceived on such an unusually large scale that it took 14 years to complete. Apart from the text, it included 1,400 full-page Mughal miniatures of an unusually large size. He relied upon illustration more because he was illiterate. The work of this manuscript was bound in 14 volumes. Let us learn how to insert image on a web page to make to more attractive. Image tag. In HTML, images are inserted using img tag. The img tag is an empty tag. Here this is an empty tag. It has no content and therefore does not need a closing tag. When any web page is created, it is saved as a file in HTML. An image which is inserted in a web page is also saved as a separate file. The web site, which is made up of several web pages, is uploaded on the web server. The images of the web page are uploaded in a separate file that is loaded into the space created by the image element. There are three types of image files which can be used in HTML, indicated by different file extensions: JPG, GIF and PNG. Here you have to write comparison between these: PNG, JPG, GIF. Poor quality of color, good quality of color, average quality of color. The image element has a number of attributes: required attribute, description, possible values. SRC, the location path of the image files to be inserted on the web page URL. Alt text specifies alternate text. The SRC or source attribute, keep this thing in mind, SRC source attribute, tells the browser which image is to be displayed and where to find it. The HTML code given below can be used to insert the image on the web page. Here this is a program. Usually all the images are kept in a separate folder. Thus it is important to specify the location or path of the image in the SRC attribute. The browser then sends instruction to go to the folder, get the image file and display it in the space reserved by the image tag. Example: the alter attribute refers to alternative text. If for some reason image cannot be displayed, then the text between the double quotes become visible. Here it will be visible. Here what difference do you find in the output of the two web pages? Name of image Minste. Here you will observe here Minste. Here what things real? Mister. You will observe this is Mister, while here Mister. This is the difference. Now optional attributes of img tag. Attribute value description: top, bottom, middle, left, right. This is alignment. You know, specifies the alignment for the image. Border pixels specify the width of the image border. This is the work of border. Height pixels or percentage specifies the height of the image. Width pixels or percentage sets the width of an image. The align attribute specifies the alignment of an image. Hyperlinks. Observe and make a list of the following icons in the menu option of your smartphone. You know this thing: YouTube, gallery, etc. So many things you may write. Icons you see on the desktop of your computer: my computer, recycle bin, so many things. Option we see on the menu of our television screen in case of D2H. You know this thing. What happens when you click on the gallery icon of a smartphone? Showing photo. What happens when you click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop of your computer? Deleted file appeared. What happens if you click on the English news option on the menu of your television screen, showing English news channel? From the above observation, we can comprehend that if we click on any option in the menu, it takes us to a different screen on the television, a different window on the desktop, and a different menu on the mobile. The menu icons are actually thumbnail, image, reduced size versions of pictures or videos which are linked to larger images or other screens. Can you name the software which gives you the option to change the size of the thumbnail image? Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint. These icons which link text and pictures from one screen to another are called hyperlinks. You should write this. Showing full screen of image. Yes, different tabs, options, communication module, provident fund. You may see many things. HTTPS, www, DAB, CMC syllabus, online classes, so many things. Save earth, save river, conserve water, etc. You may write yourself slogan. A hyperlink is an underlined word or phrase, or sometimes even a graphic image or icons which has been linked to another location. By placing the arrow on the hyperlink and clicking on it, we can move quickly from one location to another location within the same document, in another document, or somewhere else on the World Wide Web, www. Anchor tag. For creating a hyperlink in a web page, you use a tag. Example: a href URL link text a. The href, hypertext reference. What is the full form of hypertext reference? href. Attribute is used to specify the URL, that is the web address of the web page, is to be displayed when the user clicks on the line text. The text between the a and a text in the link text. There are two main parts of the anchor tag: the link text a user can click on, and the web address they go to if they click on hands-on. By default, links appear as described below in all browsers. An visited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. Keep this thing in mind. We can change the colors of these links using the link, a link, and v-link. Attribute of the body tag. Example: body link green, v-link yellow, link magenta. Here link attributes specify the color of the unvisited link. Link is used for visited link, and a link is used for active link. Types of linking. Internal linking. Now types. Internal: when one part of a web page is linked to another section on the same page. External linking: when one page is linked to another web page on same or another website. Activity: open the website and search for e-reader. Write the names of 9 different options you see in the contents. You can write. You can pause the video and you are able to write answer of this question. We understand that a bookmark is a strip of cardboard used to mark a place in a book. For further reading and to bookmark a website or place in a file, we mean recording the address to enable access to the same in your future. Thus, we can create bookmarks on a web page. These bookmarks will help us in jumping quickly to the desired location on the web page. The name attribute of the a tag is used to create a bookmark on a web page if it specifies the name of an anchor which has to be used in the href attribute along with the symbol. A name value, a href value. External linking. CBSE result, CBSE website, CBSE academics, so many things you may write. These links, when clicked, jump to a new web page either on the same website or a new website, thus demonstrating external linking. Quiz. Image linking. We know that there are two main parts of the anchor tag. The link text a user can click on, and the web address they go to if they click on it. The link text can also be replaced by an image link. The image will appear with a blue border around it. email linking. Now next thing, in order to allow our friends or visitors to send email from the website designed by us, we can provide a special link using the AHREF tag called Melto. This will result in your friend's email program opening a new email with your address already written in the to field. Assessment activity you should read and you can do this thing. Now this is my humble submission to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Thank you. Have a nice day.